Christopher Mchangwa, once a respected liberation war veteran and diplomat, has in recent months reduced himself to a megaphone of factional theory, more preoccupied with settling political scores than addressing the pressing issues facing Zimbabwe. Sabina Bashkubdani Kwachidze Mchangwa si megaphone politics misses the real threat. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibindabu, the Third Eye News on Udanyurachiti. His relentless jabs at business figures like Kudakwashita Kure will become a tired refrain, one that raises more questions about personal vendettas than principled politics. While internal party accountability is important, the selective outrage in the public mudslinging betray a deeper insecurity, the fear of being eclipsed by those who have built influence outside the traditional political hierarchy. But while Mchangwa is busy shadowboxing with perceived rivals, the real threat to Zimbabwe's sovereignty is being ignored. The unchecked economic incursion by Chinese interests, particularly in the extractive sector. Take the much hyped Manise Steel project, for instance. Touted as a game changer, it is in reality a lopsided deal. For Zimbabwe, the resource owner receives a minuscule share of the value chain. Billions will be made, yes, but not by Zimbabweans. Where is Mchangwa's voice on this? Where is the fire and fury when it comes to foreign capital extracting wealth with minimal local benefit? Why is he not demanding transparency in the equity structure of Manise or questioning the environmental and labor standards being applied? Instead, we are treating to tirades against local entrepreneurs who, for all their flaws, have at least invested in Zimbabwe and supported national institutions, including the ruling party itself. In any functioning democracy, such individuals would be regulated, not verified, engaged, not excommunicated. Ndomashikanoita kwapangwa ino awanism third eye iruka panguva ino chiti vana Mchangwa vanokutaurisa vanouya panguva ino vatyana maattacks but panguva ino vanokonza ataka vana Tagwirei instead yekuti vaive vachitaura nhau dziri kuafecta macitizens backgrounds, nhau dzemabasa, nhau dzepachina vari kuonekwa kunzi they are abusing macitizens eZimbabwe. Panguva ino vasingavapi mari dzemuripo nezvimwe zvakadaro. Mbudzi dzemafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Ina comment section medu zamafunguro enyu, musanga subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.